This is my expandable hose, and I absolutely love it because it is super soft and easy to coil up. So right now there's no water, and I have attached here at the end, I've attached this wand for watering, and it also can have a shut-off valve here. So I'm going to put the water on right now. We're going to get this hose full of water. You're going to see it expand. You can see it's getting all kind of bent. That's just the hose expanding, getting full of water. So it will extend its length to 3 times. It allows me to get all the way to the end of my lawn, or all the way to the back of my yard with this long hose. Hose is full of water now. And there we go. So I really recommend this hose. It's fantastic because once you put the water off, the hose will shrink again, which makes it very easy to transport.